You click a Google Drive link your boss just sent, but instead of the project file, you're staring at a permission-denied screen. Even though you're at your desk, Google has automatically tried to open a professional document using your personal login. This happens because Google's ecosystem, from YouTube and Drive to ads and analytics, is designed to be deeply interconnected. When you sign into one service, the browser attempts to carry that identity across every other tab you open. We are going to fix this. We're building a workspace where every account operates in its own isolated environment, with clear visual cues to keep you in the right place. To start, open a clean Google Chrome window on your desktop and have the credentials ready for at least 2 different Google accounts. Establishing these structural boundaries is the only way to ensure your professional data never interacts with your personal digital life. Most people manage multiple accounts by clicking their profile picture and selecting Add another account. If you want to actually separate your workflows, you need to stop using this button. Using this built-in switcher is exactly what creates the default account problem. This diagram shows the flaw. The first account you sign into becomes the primary identity for the session. From that point on, Chrome hijacks every external link and email attachment, forcing them to open through that first account, regardless of which tab you're currently using. Relying on this basic web-level sign-in guarantees constant workflow interruptions because it fails to create a true wall between your account data. To gain full control, we need to move the separation out of the website and into the browser itself, using Chrome profiles. Click the small profile avatar in the Chrome taskbar, the one next to the address bar. Scroll to the bottom and select Add to initialize a new profile. Each profile operates as a distinct browser environment. Your local cookies, browsing history, and saved passwords are now contained within this specific profile, completely invisible to any other windows you have open. Within this isolated sandbox, sign in to your primary personal account. Next, create a second profile for your work account, assigning a distinct color theme to each window. Using high contrast colors like blue for personal and green for work creates a permanent visual signal for your brain. Be disciplined with this setup. Avoid the habit of searching for personal topics or saving personal bookmarks inside your professional window. These color codes serve as a psychological barrier, ensuring you don't accidentally perform a professional task in a personal space. Chrome profiles are excellent for your own data, but managing client accounts introduces a different set of risks. Even with separate profiles, your browser still shares the same IP address and hardware ID with Google. This is called browser fingerprinting, and it allows Google to link multiple accounts back to your specific computer. For agencies or those managing high-stakes client profiles, you can use Sendwin cloud browser sessions. These operate on remote servers to completely sever the link between your physical hardware and the accounts you manage. Because these sessions run in the cloud, they generate unique fingerprints for every account. This allows you to share access with team members directly through the session, so you never have to exchange or store the actual passwords. Professional client management requires this physical separation, ensuring that activity in one client's account can never be associated with another. Once the architecture is in place, you must secure the underlying links between these accounts. Within each of your isolated Chrome profiles, navigate to the Google Security Dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication for every login, prioritizing an authenticator app over SMS codes, which are susceptible to interception. Many users make the mistake of using one primary email as the recovery contact for all their other accounts. This creates a chain reaction. A compromise of one account immediately provides a path into every other vault in your system. Break this chain by setting up unique recovery emails and backup phone numbers for your work and personal profiles. Architectural isolation is ineffective if a single compromised recovery inbox continues to act as a backdoor to the entire system. This is the final result, a desktop where personal, work, and client accounts are functioning in parallel without ever overlapping. Because these profiles are structurally independent, every link you click will stay confined to the specific color-coded window where you're working. If you're ready to implement advanced client isolation, visit the link in the description to try the Send.Win demo and secure your multi-account workflow today. If this organizational setup helped solve your login issues, like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into professional productivity. By enforcing strict isolation, you transform Google's interconnected ecosystem from a source of friction into a streamlined tool for professional focus.